Okay guys, my name is Kenneth. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Projector Screen using smart technology gain. I'm doing a little bit more, actually adding a little more videos here and there. This is on our new upgrade surface blackout cloth. This is the old version right here, and the problem that we had with the old version was the fact that it was not smooth. As you can see, hold on for a minute, let me get this all to adjust right here. Alright, there we go. Now there is the new one that's up against the wall. As you can see, it's very smooth. Now mind you, when I got this, it was a sample sheet, and therefore the sample sheet was folded. Just to let you know that when we order our screens, and we have ordered quite a few of these screens, they'll be coming in a certain size, which means they'll come in 100-inch 16 by 9, 120-inch 16 by 9, 150-inch 16 by 9, 150-inch 16 by 9, and the big boy 177 16.9. Now we will be get them in a roll. We'll bring them here, we'll coat them and re-roll the screen and send it to you, which means you'll be getting your screens delivered on a roll. Now, if you didn't notice, these screens have a bit of a pull, which means you can stretch them and pull them. This one didn't have that capability. Also, too, this is made out of a very thin PVC, which is very, very nice. Works well with a chemical. This was a 16-ounce vinyl on the floor. Now, just want to add really quick, those of you that are curious, will the screens have a little overlapping? Yes, it'll be cut a little larger, basically to accommodate your customized frames. As for the lines you're seeing in the screen right here, like I said, this was a sample sheet. It was given, actually we ordered it, and it was folded about maybe like 8 or 9 times. And as you see, we're able to pull it out, stretch it out, and remove all the little wrinkles that were actually all lines that were in the screen. But your screen will be coming in a roll, so it'll look much better than this. All right, even though it looks fantastic. Now, just want to add real quick that we will be adding a new size, which will be the 177-inch screen 16 by 9. That screen will come with 2 light kits instead of one because it's a very big screen, and it will come with 2 mounting brackets. The kits will still include the free screen color, which is the 4K black, the ultralight silver 3D, and the dark silver. That would be a free option. All the screens come with 16.9 from the door, so widescreen is already there for you guys. Now, these screens have the ability to be able to produce HD like TV. They can be used in well-lit environments. Lights don't even affect the screen because the screen is using something called smart technology gain. There's my big boy screen right there. You know, if you guys want to see this on a larger scale, because this surface is much different than this surface right here. As you can see, the surface is very smooth, and this surface right here, which we thought was going to work, didn't work out too well. Now, just to let you know that I didn't know that this particular company over here, we got the new screen from, existed. I found it about a couple of days ago. I was able to work out a contract with them and send over my personal business information to obtain a wholesale license code key number to actually access the site. This company right here, which we're working with, had a few issues due to the fact that, number one, it took forever to get a screen fabricated. Number two, they kept shipping the screens folded, so that became a big problem on our end and to our customers. So we were able to fix the problem before it got any larger. So just to let you know, those of you that are sitting here and watching this and thinking, well, I have the older screen, you will be sent a new screen, the upgrade screen, for free. That's coming out of my pocket. So, I think we covered everything right here. So, the next thing we're going to do is show you exactly how beautiful this screen looks. Now, the reason why our blackout cloth, I consider to be very, very reasonable. Our 177-inch screen, 16 by 9. That screen's about $922. When you think about it, you can actually build a screen that is a high entry-level screen. The Crystal Edge Technology chemical was tested against a lot of the top-end projector screen samples on the market due to the fact that things got a little heated, and we had to remove these videos because these companies just didn't like what was going on. So anyway, so with our screens, what's the difference? Well, number one, we have a blackout cloth that's jet black, which you will not see on the market, and our screens are literally silver. They're not gray. Let me come over to the screen and show you. This screen is silver. These are silver screens. So this is an actual silver screen. So they're not gray screens. What you get when you buy your screen on the market, usually you're getting, like, if you're gonna buy a projector screen right now, I say you guys say, well, I can get a screen for about $200. Well, that $200 screen it's not going to be able to do a lot that these blackout cloths can do. Number one, you're not going to be able to deal with the screen in this kind of condition. The angle gain on the screen is going to be poor, and when you consider the fact that these screens have been matched against HD TVs, they've been hit with tons of light. They've been testing against, like I said, some of the top screens on the market, and they look absolutely freaking amazing. On top of that, the angle gain on the screen is about 170, not 90. 170 viewing angle is actually on this screen. You can use it with long throw, you can use it with short throw. It doesn't make a difference where your projector's positioned. You can have it on the floor, you can have it on the ceiling. It doesn't make a difference the color of your walls. It doesn't make a difference. You just build the screen, you're done, and you have a professional high quality screen. You are getting the best of what your projector can give you, and that's what our screens offer. Alright, so let me clean it up a little bit there. Let's take this off real quick, and let's show you the demonstration I'm about to show you. See how amazing this screen is. And mind you, this is a projector I'm using. I'm using a cheap projector. I'm using an NEC VT595 projector. This projector in some places is $60. Other places is about 120, 130, I think. So, let's start this right here. Got a beautiful Galaxy. Amazing, it's on an angle. And this is where you want a screen that stands out. Behind the projector. Now later I'm going to be building a bigger screen on a much bigger scale. I'll be building a full 100 inch 16 by 9 screen, so you can see it on a larger scale. You can see how smooth it is. No wrinkles at all. Now you see that one little crease across the top. Like I said, that's when we got the screen folded because it's the sample, but when you get your screen on a roll, it's going to be completely smooth. Look at the contrast level. In a fully lit room. Look at the contrast level. Alright, so let's get some fish. I like to do fish. Fish show off the really deep blues. Let me do a little commercial too while we're at it. It's how amazing the commercial looks on here. You see it in real time. Oh, that's not amazing. Alright, so let's come over here real quick. Let's remove some of this over here real quick. Got a few ads up here. There we go. how amazing the blues are on this screen. And this is what you mean by an HD TV quality screen. Now mind you, the projector I'm using about 2000 lumens, and I'm using 720p only. I'm using HDMI to DVI. Look how amazing this looks. When I mean you can view this screen now, you get just real quick. The reason why I'm saying this is because we have tested some high-end screens, and one of the problems we found with these screens is the fact that if you try to view them on any angle, they become jet black, or they become dark around the edges. Now look at our screen in a well-lit environment. And when I was doing these demonstrations, I've had people come in and say, hey look, you're utilizing the material wrong. You're supposed to have the projector positioning right in the center of the screen or up on the ceiling. You're supposed to have the walls can't be white. You have too much lighting in the environment. It was just a whole lot of restrictions, and I'm thinking like, hey look, if I'm paying $5,000 for a screen, I should be able to use short throw, long throw, white walls should be any color they want. If I want to lay this projector on the floor, it better look magnificent. Look at this screen. Now instead of you going out and settling for a cheap screen that's only going to give you at least 30% of your projector's capability. Now mind you, this projector is an old projector. I think 2008 when the NEC VT595 projector came out. I could be wrong. And look at the screen. Look at the performance that this projector is pushing out. Now imagine if I hit this with a 4K projector or a projector that is 1080p. Just imagine. Look how fantastic this looks. Doesn't mean you don't have to have an expensive projector. You don't need one. And when you consider the fact that when you look at these big companies that are doing these demonstrations, they're using like $50,000 projectors. There's an ultra 4K laser projector. I mean, come on. Now, I would love to see them do the demonstration I'm doing. Same environment, same lighting and everything. Another thing, like I said, I don't understand how in the world a screen of 100 inches is going to cost you $2,000, $3,000 and up. Mind you, our blackout cloth for our 177-inch screen is only $922. Look how amazing that looks. Well, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Projector Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I'd like to thank you all for watching. And I'm going to come over here real quick. I just want to just walk all around this. Look how beautiful this is from any angle. I'm right up on top of this screen. And look how sharp the color is. And this is what I mean by, gotta be careful, I almost broke my neck in here. This is what I mean by you can view this screen on a 170-inch angle, or 170-degree angle, sorry about that. Man, I gotta be careful. I'm gonna kill myself in here one day. I got plenty of room to work with, just tripped over that thing right there. We just saved that for the blooper reel. It happens. I'm human. And you guys can get a chuckle and giggle out of that. If it makes you happy, makes your day a little happier, hey, you're welcome. I love this freaking screen. I cannot wait to build the bigger one. Look at this. Look at the light we have in here. Just alright guys, you guys have a good one. I got to get back to work. Thank you all for watching.